Can I help you?
Oh, shit.
Alright, no thanks. So burglars won't find your home and is a target if it is well lit, and this features security measures that slow them down. So don't let your home be an easy mark for theft and vandalism. So protect your home, yourself, and your belongings, and also save on insurance premiums. And you can simply do this by employing simple common sense safety precautions. Now if we go back to this video, let me just put it back again there, you find that this particular home has got some level of protection, but this guy was fairly able to get to the front door, of which I think that is the front door. So let's just look at it again. He was right able to get easily get to the front door. So that's something that I normally wouldn't recommend. I would recommend that you make it difficult for people to get into your yard. I know that there's always that trade-off that you have between the aesthetics, how beautiful your home looks, as well as trying to fortify your house as much as possible. But this property was fairly well protected, because even though the guy was able to get through the front of the house or beyond the gate, it wasn't as easy as it could have been for him to get into or through the front door. So let's look at it again, right? So remember, the guy is already in the property, you see, which means hopefully there was some sort of a motion detecting or motion sensor alarms that triggered the owner of the house to know that there's probably someone there, or there was some alarm or noise making item that was able to let the homeowner know that, look, there's someone in my house. So let's try it again. So obviously the house looks it looks like the door is locked, which is good. So always try to make sure that your doors are locked, because imagine if the guy was able to get in. Let's look at it again. Right, so you also look at the glass on that door. It only allows you to look into the property or into the house. If you look at you can only look at it through this part, which is not covered by this shading. So this shading makes sure that not everyone can see inside the house, you see. But sometimes you also want to be able to be outside and see who's or what's happening inside, if you or you're the owner of the property, or if you are owner and you're inside and you want to see outside. But the good thing about this type of shading is that not everyone can just see everything that's going on in there, and no one would like that. So let's look at it again. Alright, so you see now he's trying to open this this gate, and obviously it's not easy to open, and I think that's deliberate, you see. And I think that looks like a camera over there. Can you see that? That's also a good thing. And of course the camera that we're using to view, so you should be able to have a 360-degree view of your home, just to make sure that not everyone can simply just get in there and do whatever they want. Alright, so let's continue with this case study.
Can I help you?
Alright, so it's not easy to get in, you see, but you can, but it's not easy. Of which, if there was no one in the house or no one close by, the guy could have probably jumped over that gate or found a way to pry inside, you see. So that's quite good. So we commend the property owner for that. All right, so let's just finish up. So when the guy saw that he has been spotted, well, obviously he acted the fool and started going. All right, let's look at it for the last time.
Oh, shit.
Yep, he acted the fool. So that's it for this video, guys, on security and insurance. So make sure that you save on whatever it is that you have in your house. Don't let anyone just get in there. Protect your castle. Of course, save on insurance premiums. Have those cameras right there, the one that we're looking at, and this simple home protection mechanisms that we see every day. So courtesy of this video is to the Best Fails Ever channel. You can check out their channel, but thanks again for joining us. If this is your first time here, please like, subscribe, would really appreciate that. All right, thanks guys.